Okay, nice. Yeah. Yeah, well, I think you have it basically covered for Pepsi. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think you're going all right with Pepsi, man. Gucci is going okay too. Nice. All right, Gucci is going all right. Not bad. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is going okay too. And then we have Emirates. Not bad. We have Lenovo. All right, coming along nicely. Pepsi, right? So that IKEA, whoa, IKEA, you all on fire there. IKEA, and then we have Brompton, nice, very good. Then we have, all right, Toyota, nice. All right, I'm gonna have a look one more time. Gucci, come on, let's go. Coca-Cola, right? Transformation process, labeling, yes, mixing, quality control, nice, yes, good. We're looking all right. Emirates Airlines, yes. Checking flying reservation, yes, definitely part of the transmission process. Hey, training could be part of it too, yeah. Lenovo, yes. Inputs, we're getting it ready. We're getting it done. We're getting it done. Transmission process, that's where the assembly happens and quality checks. You can find that there too. Pepsi, right? Pepsi is basically done, eh? Yeah, it's straightforward, quite simple. IKEA, yeah. IKEA, I see what you guys are doing. Nice, good work. Brompton, good work. Yes, Brompton is doing electric bicycles now too. You're doing some research, huh? And we have which company? Toyota. Nice, very good. Love it.